Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will learn how to create row number for each group in Excel. Normally we can use the formula to create sequence row number for each group in Excel worksheet. But in this video we will use the Power Query to create the sequence row number for each group. So let's start. Open your worksheet. As you can see in my worksheet, there are products and the salesman names and the quantity of the product sold. So first select the data, go to the data tab, and from the get and transform data click on the option from table. If your data contains the header, so select this option, my table has headers, and click OK. And then in the open Power Query editor window, select the column that you want to use to group in the table. Then right click it and then choose group by from the context menu. And in the group by dialog box, select the column name. I'm going to select the product. Select all rows option from the operation drop down list and click OK button. Now return to the Power Query editor window. Now we have to create a new column for the index number. In the Power Query editor window, click on the add column and then select the custom column. And in the custom column dialog box, type the name of your new column. I am using the count for my new column name. And in the custom column formula box, we will use the formula equals to table dot add index column formula bracket open, and in the square brackets type your new column name. Since my column name is count, so I am here use the count. Close the square bracket, comma. In the double inverted commas, type index, comma 1. Close the formula bracket and click OK. Now in the Power Query editor window, we will remove all the other columns and only keep the last column we have created. Right click the last column name and select remove other columns. Then expand this column. In the expanded box, check expand option and then check all the column names from the list box and uncheck the use original column name as prefix option, and finally click OK button. And now you can see the row index numbers are displayed. Then click home, close and load to load the data into the new worksheet. We have created the row index number for each group in Excel by using the Power Query. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.